I definitely like the course content and the way it was presented. I think your knowledge, your vast knowledge and experience was definitely portrayed here, and it helped us in understanding what you're trying to present and just how your whole delivery, very engaging. I as well will have to go over the material because I would be studying for the exam as well, and I look forward to successfully passing it and implementing what was taught here today in my organization.